So for today, I'll be showing you how could I request a free product from YesStyle. So ito, matagal ko na siyang inaay. Itong Licorice Calming Cream. So let's check kung magkano ba yun. So ayan, ang cost niya ay 1,705 pesos and it's currently on sale. But I will be getting it for free. So I'll show you how I could order this one. So yan. Meron silang mga terms and condition. You have to read this one. But it states that you have to create a product video for the sponsored product. So, dapat when you receive the item, magpapasa ka ng created content for them. So, it states also that they could use that video for their promotional purpose. So, ayan, accept na natin yung terms and conditions. So, get it now. Ayan, in the bag. Claim your free product sponsor. In bag. So, let's check our bags. Palagin na ba ako? Ayan. So, let's see if I'm logged in. Ayan, yun ang aking profile. So, as you can see, sponsored product yung nakalagay. Tapos, quantity 1. But it also states in the terms and condition that you have to shoulder the shipping fee for all the products that you would be getting. Sa akin, okay na yun kesa I'll pay for the full price of this product. So, ayan. Continue lang natin. So, estimated 15 to 20. Expected na dumating siya ng 15 to 20 days for the delivery. So, let's try to check out this one and continue. So, ayan. If you would be using that, you have to sign in. So, ayan. Ayan, so sa sign in tayo. Ulit. Ay, natin yung password. Ayan, so for the checkout, nakita natin na hindi pwedeng i-apply yung YesStyle points for the spot. So, yan, makita nyo kung kailan siya darating. So, estimated niya September for yung dating ng product natin. So, ayan, we'll try to continue to YesStyle checkout. Ayan, tapos, meron kasi akong ginagamit ng Paymaya o yung Maya. Yun yung ginagamit ko for payment for this one. So, yan, lagay nyo lang yung contact details niyo. CV. So, yan, lalagay lang natin yung CVC natin. And then, choose your existing billing address. O kung wala pa, lagay nyo na lang yung inyong billing address. So, ayan, let's check first yung mga shipping information kung tama ba yung card and then yung billing address. So, tama na yan. Place order natin. So, ayan, nakita mo yung checkout natin. Meron tayong order number and magsisend sila ng email dyan regarding your checkout for the free items. So, ayan, you can also track their orders dito sa my account order history. So, ayan, you could continue shopping. So, that's my lesson for today kung paano mag-request ng free items for YesStyleinfluencers. Message lang kayo kung ano pang gusto niyo matutunan. Bye!